Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, do you want to know how was Windows 93 operating system? And do you want to use the demo version of the Windows 93 operating system? Let's get started. Go to the google.com and here you can type Win93. So once you type Win93, here you can click on I'm feeling lucky. So once you click on I'm feeling lucky, it will take you to the Nostalgia Windows 93 operating system. So this is how it looks like the Windows 93 operating system. Here you can see so many icons on the desktop. On the left hand side here you can also see the start button. Okay, so one thing what you can observe is that nowadays we have a recycle bin and here you can see the trash. Okay, so the olden days like they used to call it as a trash and now it has been renamed as a recycle bin. Okay, so this is the nostalgia version of the Windows 93 operating system. So here you can see so many things, documents, programs, full screen, run. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.